everyone. To the next. So estimation of ore reserve. So simply ore reserve is calculated on the basis of this formula. Okay, what? This density is equal to mass by volume. Okay, you know this formula. So basically, the ore reserve estimation is based on this formula only. In ore reserve, you are calculating the mass. So if you have the volume and if you have the density, then you will get your mass. That is 1 kg or 1 ton or whatever. Okay, if you are multiplying volume in meter cube and this density is converted to specific gravity. Okay, now this density is converted to specific gravity. Then the outcome will be in tons. Okay, will be in tons. So if you are not agreed with this formula, then you can calculate it dimensionally. Okay, that volume in meter cube and density converted to specific gravity, the result will be in tons. Okay, like 10 to the power 3. Okay, so this is the thing. So you have to simply remember this volume into specific gravity will be give you the tonnage, that is in tons. Okay, that is in tons. Like 1000 meter cube into specific gravity 3, that will be 3000 tons is the ore reserve. Ore reserve. Now is the metal content. Metal content. Like this is the total ore reserve. Okay. What is the metal content? Consider the grade is like 20%. Then you have to just multiply here 0.2. That will be your in the 600 kg हो जाएगा ये. Oh, sorry, tons. 600 tons of metal content is there. So if we will process 3000 tons of ore, then we will get 600 tons of metal. So there are two terms. One is metal content, one is ore reserve. Okay, ore reserve, metal content. So metal content, after you multiply this grade in decimal, you have to multiply in decimal, you will get 600 tons. What will happen if we multiply this directly? 3000 into 20, that will be 60,000. So from 3000 tons of ore, you will get 60,000 tons of metal. Okay. So multiply in decimal. So I have told you this thing because when you will be confused during calculation, you will remember this thing कि नहीं भाई, ore reserve is always higher. ore reserve से कभी metal content ज्यादा हो नहीं सकता. ठीक है? ore reserve will be always higher, metal content will always be lower than ore reserve. कभी कभी लोग बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि भाई हमको डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लाई करना है या फिर डेसिमल में मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So that is the thing. Okay. So this is the calculation simple formula. Okay, simple formula of ore reserve estimation. Now the most dangerous thing is not this specific gravity, is not this grade, is the most dangerous thing is the volume. We have to calculate the volume, and apart from like leaving this volume, the most dangerous thing is this area. You know the thickness by drilling. By drilling you will know the thickness, but the dangerous thing is this area. We have to calculate this area. Okay, there are the processes of reserve estimation, the excluded area method. In the previous GSI you have faced a question, calculate by level plane, no, sorry, excluded area method. Okay, in the 2022 process, calculate by level plan. These are the processes of area calculation, but they are named as processes of reserve estimation. Okay, but these processes of reserve estimation are actually the processes of area calculation. This is the most dangerous thing in the reserve estimation. If you have the area, you have the thickness by the drilling technique. Specific gravity you can analyze easily by the chemical methods. So grade is also you can analyze easily. So that's why the estimation, reserve estimation processes are wide. Okay, so we'll go one by one. So these are the reserve estimation processes. These two will not cover. This is not required. This is software based. Software based. Without software, it can be done. And oil and gas estimation is not required. It is not in your syllabus. It is not required also. It is also oil and gas estimation is also software based only. Okay, it cannot be done manually. So we'll go to this eight processes. Go through these eight processes. So first is your old style. What is the old style? This old style is like in the ancient times. What they do? They just if this is the ore body, na? If this is the ore body, what they do? They just dig audits and this drives. In underground terminology, you know the audits and drives thing in your BSc time. So audits and drives they cut, okay, in a rectangular fashion or in a square fashion or something. They just measure this length, height, and height, length, and width of this block. This is the width, this is the length, and here they can get the height. Okay, or here they can any hole they can get the height. After that they will multiply this simply. This is the old style. Okay, but what is the problem here? When you will go to this part, what they will do? Now it is irregular. So this is the problem with this old style. Okay, so again they have to like divide it in small blocks, then small blocks. After that, any type of thing you do, something will be left there. Okay, जिंदगी में कितना भी कुछ कर लो, कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा ही. ठीक है, तो ये छूट गया. So this is the problem. Okay, this is the old style. So I am not going to this multiply this specific gravity and yeah, I am just going that calculate multiplies like so. But you just get the volume. Okay. After getting the volume, you can multiply specific gravity and that grade, and you can get the metal content and origin. So this is the old style. Now this is the triangular method. What they do in triangular method? See, they have drilled some holes. Okay, they have drilled drill holes. What they do? These are the drill holes. They have intersected some ore zones. Okay, they have like if this is a hole, this is a hole. They have intersected ore zones. Okay, the ore is like this. They have intersected here, and after that, here they have ended. So this is the thickness. This is the thickness they have cut. Thickness they have cut. This is the thickness it got. Getting it? This is the thickness. Okay. So now they will join these points to form a triangle. Okay. Okay. Likewise. So they will join here to form triangles. So now they will measure the the area of this triangle. Area of each triangle. Area of each triangle. Area of each triangle. And you have got the area. Now you want the thickness. Area into thickness will give you the volume. They will average these three thicknesses. Okay, like here there is a thickness. This is the one thickness. This is considered 20 meter. This is 30 meter, and this is 10 meter thick. So 20 plus 30 plus 10, it will be by 3. It will be your 20 meter. So if the area is A1 into 20 meter, it will be your 20 A1 is the volume. Okay, clear everyone how this triangular method works? So this is the triangular methods. Volume is equal to area into average mineralized thickness of the drill holes. Okay, after getting the tonnage of each triangle, then just add it. Then just add all the tonnages. So you will get the whole reserve. Okay, in this diagram, these holes are not mineralized. Okay, only these holes are pink holes are mineralized. So this is the triangular method. Next, square and rectangle method. Okay, square and rectangle method. In this method, there are two types of method: included area, excluded area. Two types of method. Now we will go to the previous year question and do this. Okay. So included area method and excluded area method. See, it is nothing but the area of influence. Area of influence. We have taken the area of influence. Okay. So it is the here it is included area method. Okay, it is included area method. Now we'll go to the blank slide. In included area method, what we take that the area of influence is the area of influence is within the drill holes. Okay, not surrounding the drill holes, within the drill holes. This is like if these are the drill hole points, then if we are calculating with included area, then we will draw the rectangles like this by joining these rectangles. Okay, if it is excluded area, if it is excluded area, see, in included area the area of influence is inside the drill holes. But in excluded area, the area of influence is surrounding the drill holes. Okay, so this will be your excluded area. This will be your excluded area. Everyone clear? If any doubt, please tell. This is excluded, this is included. All are getting it? না উল্টা হয়নি ঠিক আছে is included. Okay, this is excluded, or sorry, not excluded, it is extended. Okay, included, extended, huh? Not again excluded, it is extended. Okay, included and extended method. Everyone clear what is included, what is extended? So now we will go for the calculation. Okay, so see here, if you are going to this thing, see here. Acha, see, so this is included area. Okay, included area. Each of your drill length is 25 meters. Okay, each is 25 meters. This is 25 meter. Okay, 25 meter, I think. Yes. So 25 meter. Okay. So take a challenge. Calculate the area. Calculate the area and tell me. Okay. This length is 25 meter. This length is 25. 25, 25, 25, 25. Calculate the area. In this case, see, so we have in included area method. Okay. So all the area of influences are inside the borehole. So first, see these things, these areas. Okay, we have to take as much as this 25 by 25 area. Okay, 25 by 25 area as much as possible. Okay, so likewise you also calculate, you can also calculate. ऐसा निकलेगा क्या सोच रहे हो? This will give a good result. Hmm? And how? Yes, that's the thing. You cannot calculate the grade. Okay, always the grade should be like this thing, the area of influence like this. But in case of the yeah, sorry, extended area, grade is always, area calculated is always, sorry, grade is always surrounding the hole. Okay, grade is always surrounding the hole, but area calculation, influence of area is different in included and extended area method. So for this borehole, for borehole 1, the area of influence is only this. Likewise for this one only, and this one only. So there are 4 boreholes, okay, which have area of influence 25 square meter by 4. This is 25 square meter by 4. Okay, plus there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12, 12. Okay, plus 12 area of influences with 25 square meter by 2, because this is by 2. Okay, this is by 2. Okay, these areas, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 areas of 25 square kilometer. Okay, this will be the uh, areas. So for volume, you have to just calculate the width. Width means this mineralized area, this mineralized portion, as I have shown you in the triangular method. The thickness of the mineralization, thickness of the mineralization. Okay. So into W1 into W2 into W3. Okay. Likewise, you will calculate the total volume. Total volume. Okay. So this is the thing. Everyone got it, or there is some confusion? For 925 square kilometer into W1, this is the thickness of mineralization. That will be the volume. For 12, half area of influence. For 4, quarter area of influence. Okay, with W3. Okay. Sorry, 25 by 4. This for this one, na? This for this borehole, the area of influence is like this. Okay, but we are doing this in included area method. So this borehole will influence only this part. So this part is like 25 square kilometer by 4, na? Okay. So while calculating width, you can take like average width for this. Okay, 4 by 4, like quarter areas, you can take average width, that is W3. Okay. So while calculating average grade, what we have to do? We have to just multiply G1, G2, G3 and divided by whole volume. This is the formula. Whole average grade. Everyone getting this? Or if anyone having any doubt, please tell. After that, I will give you the previous question you have to solve now. Okay. Here in extended area method, what happens? If in the same area, what we will do? We will do the area of influence of each borehole will extend. Okay, this will be the extended area method. Okay, this will be the extended area method. So we have to surround the whole borehole. Now if you can calculate the area of influence, 1, 2, 3, total 25 boreholes into 25 square kilometer of area of influence. This is into width, average width. Average width you have to calculate, like take all the mineralized and divided by 25, all the mineralized width and divided by 25. This is average width. Average width, it will give you the volume, and multiply with average grade, it will give you the reserve. Okay, this is in rectangular excluded method. Rectangular excluded method. Okay, so for each thing you have to take like 10 into 20. 10 into 20 into total 3 2 5 3 2 5 25 into average width. This is extended area method. Okay, for extended area method, you have to for taking the average grade, you have to multiply each grade and divided by the total volume. Okay, one master formula, one master formula. But you have to define the area and average grade. Okay, one master formula is there. So we are going to the previous year question of 2022, 23. Sorry.